Welcome to the United Arab Emirates, a land where ancient landscapes and futuristic architecture create one of the most unique places on Earth. Join us as we explore the wonders of the UAE from above. In our first episode, we take you to Dubai, a city that has transformed from a humble fishing village into a global icon. As we soar above its skyline, we are greeted by architectural wonders that dominate the horizon. None is more impressive than the Burj Khalifa, standing tall at 828 meters. From its majestic heights, Dubai stretches beneath us, a city that seamlessly blends innovation with cultural heritage. Our journey continues to Palm Jumeirah, an engineering marvel that extends Dubai's coastline and redefines city planning. As we hover above, we witness the symmetry and perfection of this man-made island shaped like a palm tree. It is a luxurious escape, home to world-renowned hotels and a symbol of UAE's innovation and ambition. Next, we fly to Abu Dhabi to visit the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. From above, the mosque's white domes and minarets shine against the blue sky. This place of worship is not only a beacon of beauty, but also a symbol of peace. The intricate details of the white marble are a sight to behold. Every corner and dome reflects the artistry and devotion of those who built it. This mosque stands as one of the world's largest and most stunning structures of its kind. But the UAE is not just about urban wonders. Its heart lies in the desert, where golden sands stretch as far as the eye can see. Join us on a desert safari, where you will witness the breathtaking natural beauty of this arid landscape. The sun, the wind, and the ever-changing dunes create a mesmerizing experience that is truly unforgettable. Throughout our journey, we have witnessed the contrasts and connections that make the UAE so special. From architectural marvels to natural wonders, this land harmoniously brings together tradition and innovation. By exploring the wonders of the UAE from above, we have been able to see its beauty and diversity in a way few get to experience. Welcome to the Wonders of UAE. Join us as we uncover the secrets and magnificence of this extraordinary place, one episode at a time.